Hello there! Isn't it baffling how school barely scratches the surface when it comes to teaching us about money and its intricacies? Have you ever wondered what they're keeping from us? Well, today is the day you uncover the hidden truths behind financial success that have been conveniently left out of your education. If you're tired of financial struggles and ready to rewrite your financial story, you're in for a treat. Get ready to dive into the 15 money secrets that can revolutionize your financial journey. But before we dig in, why not make sure you never miss empowering content like this? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay in the loop. Alright, let's unveil the secrets that can change your life forever. Number 15. A monthly salary equals addiction. Enter the realm of a monthly salary equals addiction. Nassim Taleb's insights remind us that routine can be as addictive as substances. A regular income feels safe, but it also can be a trap. Routine isn't the path to substantial wealth. It's innovation, risk-taking, and entrepreneurship. Stepping out of the comfort zone of a consistent paycheck is like breaking free from chains. You're not just aiming for financial stability, you're reaching for the stars. In a world evolving with AI and automation, adaptability is your currency. Becoming an entrepreneur is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Number 14. How banks work. Peek behind the curtain of finance. How banks work. They're like the gears that keep the economic machinery moving. Understanding their mechanics can save you from unnecessary fees and interest traps. Banks thrive on financial ignorance, but you can reverse the tide when you grasp the workings of loans, deposits, and interest rates. You're empowered to make informed choices. Imagine it as deciphering a secret code. Suddenly, the world of banking isn't so intimidating. Embrace self-education and break free from the grip of financial opacity. Number 13. What you do for money. Unravel the puzzle of what you do for money. Schools push us toward conventional job titles, but life is more than a 9-to-5 routine. It's about embracing your unique path and realizing that the road less traveled can lead to unparalleled success. Entrepreneurs, innovators, and creators rewrite the rules, not just follow them. The most significant fortunes aren't built on mediocrity. They're crafted by trailblazers. Remember, your financial destiny isn't predetermined. You hold the pen. Number 12. How to fight inflation. Enter the battlefield against inflation. How to fight inflation. Inflation isn't just about eggs getting pricier. It's about your purchasing power taking a hit. When the prices rise, your hard-earned money buys less. It's like watching your savings shrink right before your eyes. Fighting inflation requires strategies like investing in assets that can outpace it, diversifying your portfolio, and adjusting your lifestyle. It's like protecting your castle from invaders. In this case, those invaders are rising prices. Number 11. How the money supply expands and contracts. Explore the heartbeat of the economy, how the money supply expands and contracts. Money flow is like a dance, sometimes a waltz, sometimes a tango. When money supply expands, it's like a windfall of opportunity. Banks have more to lend, businesses invest, and the economy booms, but it's a delicate balance. Too much money chasing too few goods leads to inflation. If the money supply contracts, it's like the economy catching its breath. Banks tighten their belts, businesses scale back, and people become cautious. It's all part of an intricate economic choreography that impacts your financial decisions. Number 10. Tax avoidance versus tax evasion. Let's demystify a critical difference: tax avoidance versus tax evasion. One is a strategic maneuver within the bounds of the law. The other is a criminal act. Tax avoidance involves using legal deductions and exemptions to minimize tax liability. It's like using a map to navigate tax terrain. Tax evasion, on the other hand, is like trying to sneak through a closed door. It involves illegal practices, which can lead to penalties and even jail time. Equipping yourself with the knowledge of these distinctions can prevent serious financial consequences. Number 9. How to negotiate deals. Negotiation is more than a skill, it's your weapon for life's game. How to negotiate deals is an art that can save you money, secure better opportunities, and showcase your worth. From buying a car to landing a job, negotiation plays a pivotal role. The first offer isn't set in stone, it's an invitation to dance. Negotiation isn't just about money, it's about recognizing your value and asserting it. Picture negotiation as a key that unlocks doors to financial success. Embrace it, and you're in command of your financial destiny. Remember, you're not handed your worth, you claim it. Number 8. How to budget. Budgeting isn't a chore, it's your blueprint to financial freedom. How to Budget is your guide to taking charge of your finances. It's about making money work for you, not the other way around. Consider it your financial GPS, steering you towards your goals. By planning expenses, you're predicting and controlling your financial destiny. Budgeting empowers you to face unexpected expenses with ease and turn your aspirations into achievable goals. Picture a world where everyone can handle money like a pro, where personal debt is a rarity. With good budgeting skills, you're stepping into that world, one decision at a time. Number 7. Why money needs to flow through the economy. Understand the rhythm of money. It's not meant to be stagnant. Why money needs to flow through the economy becomes clear when you realize it's the pulse of business, investment, and prosperity. Transactions aren't mere exchanges, they're just lifeblood of economic growth. Your spending isn't just about you, it's about fueling business activities, employment, and innovation. Money flowing out of an economy also ensures diversity and prevents inflation. Whether in business or investing, remember that letting money flow is how you keep it growing. Number 6. How to keep your money from flying out of your pockets. Stay vigilant to avoid letting your money take flight. In a world designed to make you a spender, not a saver, how to keep your money from flying out of your pockets become crucial. The moment you step out, marketing and advertising try to woo you into spending. That impulsive dopamine rush fades, and you're left with stuff you seldom use. Differentiate between upgrades and nice-to-haves. Conscious spending is your armor against overspending. Recognize the power of your choices and thwart the consumerist whirlwind. Number 5. Money is tied to value. Let's dive into a fundamental truth. Money is tied to value. It's the conduit between society's needs and solutions waiting to be scaled. The journey of value creation is a continuous cycle of identifying gaps, providing solutions, and scaling up. The real magic happens when value distribution aligns with society's needs. This is where trust, quality products, and effective marketing come into play. The cycle isn't just about personal prosperity, it's about propelling society forward. Remember, true wealth isn't built by extracting from others, it's created by enriching lives. The cornerstone of this process? The law of supply and demand. It's like a universal code to unlock financial wisdom. Number 4. The difference between credit and cash. Cash is your instant ally. Credit is a strategic companion. Cash grants you ultimate financial control. It's liquid, tangible, and its value is undisputed. Credit, on the other hand, is a double-edged sword. Wisely wielded, it's a bridge to opportunities like purchasing a home or funding your entrepreneurial dream. But tread carefully. It comes with a cost. The infamous interest. Mastering both sides of this coin is essential. Credit can elevate you, but it can also sink you if mishandled. Understanding roles is like knowing when to spend and when to pace in a race. Number 3. Central banks control everything. Welcome to the realm of central banks control everything. They're the puppet masters behind the curtains of the economy, shaping its fate. These institutions are like conductors orchestrating the economic symphony. They create money, control its supply, and manipulate consumer behavior. The result? Your life's choices, spending habits, and even your aspirations are nudged by their influence. Central banks use tools like open market operations, reserve requirements, and discount rates to regulate money flow. Their power lies in the unawareness of the masses, while the free market concept is a grand notion. The economy dances to the central bank's tune. It's like we're living in a scripted economic drama. Number 2. Saving makes you poor. Let's debunk a myth. Saving makes you poor. Money, if left stagnant, stagnates your wealth-building potential. The idea of stashing money away may feel secure, but it's deceiving. While your money rests, inflation nibbles away at its value, making you poorer over time. This is where investing steps in to save the day. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, vehicles that generate wealth. Compound interest is your greatest ally. As you invest, your money earns interest, and that interest earns more interest. Compounding your growth, investing doesn't carry risks, but with knowledge and strategy, you can mitigate them. Embrace calculated risk and watch your wealth bloom. You're learning to play the long game while others stick to short-sighted tactics. Number 1. Money loses value over time. Welcome to a harsh reality. Money loses value over time. Money isn't just paper, it's an idea we all collectively agree on. It functions as a medium of exchange. But the crucial part, a store of value is slipping away. It's like sand slipping through your fingers. Money needs to be fluid, but it's failing in its role as a store of value due to high inflation. Think about it. In 2022, you paid $2.68 for a dozen eggs. By 2023, it's $3.27. The cost of eggs today compared to decades ago is a testament to this disturbing trend. The average salary has gone up, but it's not solving the value preservation dilemma. This leads us right into our next revelation. And there you have it. These 15 money secrets are like keys to a treasure trove of financial wisdom. If you found this video invaluable, hit that like button and share it with your fellow seekers of knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell for more enlightening content.